Hello there, welcome to today's video. And right now we now have a significant threat for severe weather today across portions of southeast Texas through most of Louisiana and then portions of southwest Mississippi. Now the reason there is a enhanced risk right there is for the threat of some tornadoes, some of which could be long tracks and probably intense. We'll be keeping an eye on that potential, but otherwise, looks like not any EF4s or EF5s, although would be out of the question for a EF2 or EF3 tornado to possibly make touchdown. So today's gonna be very dangerous. And to add on with that tornado threat, there's also the possibility of damaging winds, mainly to 60 to some isolated 70 miles an hour, and some hail which could reach quarter size. Today's not really a significant hail day or anything. Well, I'm gonna now show you the meso analysis from the Storm Prediction Center, give you an idea of how unstable the atmosphere is right now. So here we have the surface cap. Right there we have 1,500 joules per kilogram of instability on ground level. That's actually more than enough for severe storms to develop. Otherwise, it looks like region-wide mainly 1,000 to 1,200 joules per kilogram. Again, that's pretty sufficient for severe storms to form. And sun's still shining, so definitely will be quite impactful. Then we have low level lapse rates. They're pretty decent. Like, I mean, it's 6, so it's decent enough for some decent storms. Right now, obviously, that will strengthen as the day goes on. But then it's the wind shear, though. That's going to be really, effective. So you have 65 knots in some places of wind shear. More than enough for some tornadoes, damaging winds, maybe even some fast moving cells here, but otherwise right now they're moving pretty slowly actually. But then it's low level. Again, 25 to 35 knots of wind shear. So when you have a lot of wind shear going two directions on the upper and lower level, that's gonna cause rotation to naturally form in storms. And obviously with that rotation, if it does get strong enough, that can form tornadoes. And then instability just helps storms to pop up and potentially get severe with all of that updraft coming in. So here's the supercell composite. Again, some pretty decent values. So mainly right around here, you could be seeing some supercell storms that could develop. Then significant tornado again. It's not that high at all, although right now there is a slim possibility of a significant tornado forming. But then it's a violent tornado parameter 2 right there. That red, that could mean that if the storms can last a while and more instability forms, there is a possibility of a tornado potentially becoming violent. So that is going to really be something to keep an eye on. And then also another threat besides hail, damaging winds, and tornadoes would be the threat of some flash flooding. Again, with many storms just developing and then moving right over the same exact place over and over and over again, there's a potential of inches upon inches of rain being dumped within a matter of just a couple of hours that could leave flash flooding. So that's gonna be pretty bad. Then here's a large hail parameter. Again, see, like, there's pretty much nothing. It's not supposed to really be a a large hail day. Neither for microburst. So, well, that's the video for today. Please like and subscribe.